Okay, so I wanted to be able to get a shot of her in a little bit of light, and see maybe get a little closer here. Just do a quick walk around. But it actually cleaned up pretty nice. One of the main problems with getting ambitious and cleaning the bike is now that it's clean, you sort of get used to it. And so I, like I say, wound up cleaning the VTR 250 as well. And also just cleaned the helmet. Again, pretty pleased with the wash wax all from Aero Cosmetics, washwax.com. Again at 6 to 10 feet, the bike looks really nice. It did clean up. You get a little closer, you see more of the scuffs, and so that was it. For now, I think I'll just take a couple other pictures while I'm here, but that's pretty much my review of the Wash Wax All product. Very pleased. You may have seen some things in the video that weren't completely up to professional snuff, but it wasn't to be a cleaning video, it was to be a product review video. One thing that I did on the mirrors, I used a light vinegar and water solution, about a cup of water to a quart of vinegar. So 3 to 1 or 4 to 1 on the vinegar solution to clean, maybe even a little less than that, maybe a half cup to a quart. No, it would have been a cup to 2 liters. So yeah, about a cup to a quart, half a cup to a quart of vinegar for a cleaning solution on the mirrors, and got the glass nice and clean. The other thing, again, this is sort of, if you will, for entertainment purposes, use at your own risk, yada, yada, yada. I have not received or asked for any compensation or remuneration from washwax.com. Wouldn't mind if they wanted to send me some, but I didn't ask for anything. Just a product review of a good product, and my intent on the channel is to have several other unsolicited product reviews as I go through, and most of them will not be as long as this one. Thank you and have a great day.